Guys, today I am going to give the introduction about the Python language because before starting the Python you should know what is the language, and if you are beginner, so this is the most important thing. So computer doesn't know our language and we don't know computer language. There is a interpreter or translator the between us and the computer, who translate our language to the computer language and computer language to our language. So computer language is basically 0 1 0 1, on and off. 0 1 0 1 0 1 you cannot understand easily. Now we can use in different we can change this language into high level language, binary language. We call binary language. Computer language is binary number 0 and 1. That's why we call binary language. Okay, so this is we finish what is the language. Now we come on the history of the Python language. Okay, Python language, it started in 1990, and Guido van Rossum was created this language in 1990, and after that they released the versions like 1.0 in 1994 and 2.0 in 2000 and 3.0 in 2008. So where to use Python now? Now these two things are clear. Now where to use Python? We can use Python language in gaming, in web development, in desktop applications, GUI. GUI means graphics user interface, and also for the graphics. So this is the same, graphics user interface. If I write here graphics user interface, you know user, who's the user? The person who's using the computer we call user. So GUI means graphics user interface. User interface means the interface between us and the computer. Now why we use Python language only? See, because this language is very easy and simple, and also the beginners can understand easily. This is the high level language, and it is in English, so the syntax are very easy and understandable, easy to maintain also, as there are very easy codes and you can maintain easily. So these are the things for the introduction. So please keep watching my videos, and if you want any question about this video, you can ask in the comment box, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.